Our work is entitled Handling Multiple Channel Video Data for Personalized Multimedia Services, a case study on soccer games viewing. It is co-authored by my colleagues Haralabos Patrikakis, Nikolas Papaulakis, Chrysanthis Stefanodaki, and Manuel Stabdis from the National Technical University of Athens. The work that presented here has been partially funded from the European Union's 7th Framework Program. So let's start with some facts. First of all, broadcasting is fast declining, while the demand for real-time multimedia services such as web TV and internet TV is increasing rapidly. There's a plethora of devices used for access to high-quality content transmitted over a corresponding wide range of wired and wireless access networking technologies, which has led to the introduction of added value multimedia services, offering enhanced user involvement and context awareness. The need to offer end users quality-aware multimedia streaming that can be adapted to network conditions so as to support enhanced quality of experience, as long as the ability to support sophisticated mechanisms for user preferences capturing. These needs have led to the development of the tools upon which enhanced user control over the offered services can be based. Let's have a look at the new scenery that has evolved. So, as far as technologies are concerned, we have the seamless bitrate switching, we have transparent transitions between access network technologies, we have a context-aware adaptation of transmission parameters, which are all these are characteristic examples of the networking part. Regarding the management of the transmitted content, the existence of advanced image-video annotation and characterization mechanisms allows the automatic and sometimes the real-time annotation of multimedia content, so that we can offer truly personalized media streaming. The potential to that these create personalized media streaming based on matching of user selections to content characterization can be possible, therefore allowing users to have full access on and control to the multimedia content transmitted to the terminal signifies a transition from the traditional TV director managed broadcasting to a user and interactive based management of the viewing experience. Regarding the need for personalization, which is a very buzzword these days, the facts again, let's look at some facts. In the United States of America, there are more TVs in each home than there are people. Plus, TV viewing habits are changing with an increase of 40% as regards the use of personal video recorders. Well, at the same time, mobile video viewing has witnessed a 50% increase in 2009 compared to the 2008. This has created a new scenery with a great interest in the personalized provision of broadcasting services, giving emphasis on personalizing the way that live coverage of events is provided. So, coming now to the issue of live sports coverage, it is a common practice in league tournaments or championships that several matches take place in parallel. That's for several reasons. So, in this case, there are two options as regards the coverage. Either to broadcast the matches live using several channels, DVD, bouquet, or to broadcast one match live and the others using a recorded version. So, let's have a look at the characteristics of each. The first case does not allow the viewers to watch all matches in which they could be interested in by using their home electronic devices. Even the picture-in-picture feature, the PIP, that is the feature that allows one program or channel to be displayed on the full TV screen at the same time as one or more programs or channels are displayed in set. Even in that case, it's difficult to focus on the coverage of two matches in parallel, while the feature covers only up to two matches. The second option, although it allows viewing of all matches, it is supported in real time only for one of them, while in several cases the commentator may have announced a priori before the beginning all the results, therefore reducing the interest of the viewed matches, of the viewers for the recorded matches. So, let's have a look at the My eDirector 2012 proposal. If we can automatically localize and identify athletes in video feeds, we can potentially provide users with a variety of interesting features, for example, smart zoom, pan and scan, and choice of the best unoccluded view of an athlete. In other words, My eDirector 2012 platform can act as a personal director for each end user by following his personal preferences. Though the platform is capable of supporting switching among heterogeneous access networks and end-user devices, in this paper presented today, emphasis is given in a particular scenario, that of using a TV in combination with a personal device, a PDA for example, in order to personalize broadcasting services over DVB. Now let's move on to the platform architecture. This figure represents the information and video flow from the sports venue up to the end user's device. The live video and audio content from the cameras covering the athletic event, in our case the soccer games, is encoded properly so as to be transmitted to the media streamers. In addition, as a parallel or preceding process, metadata containing information about the games are generated. Metadata such as statistics or events that take place in parallel. This metadata is filtered through the selection of the most important events and favorite athletes according to user preferences. These user preferences are registered in the user's profiles. In other words, the metadata are created based on users' favorite events and players. To support this streaming procedure, there are two streamers. The metadata streamer that takes the generated metadata and encapsulates them in packets so that they can be transmitted to the end user, and the multimedia streamer that is used to stream the corresponding video and audio data. The two streamers, the two streams are synchronized before being delivered to the end user. Following the synchronization, the multimedia streams are broadcast over DVB to the end user's TV sets, while the metadata streamers are sent in unicast mode over wireless and mobile technologies, using IP to the user's personal devices. The personal device has therefore a double role. It's the device which receives all the metadata about what is happening to all the athletic events. Therefore, the user is able to receive information about all the soccer matches in real time. And secondly, it is the means through which the user can control what will be displayed on the TV screen. That is, it makes the switch between TV channels that both contain important events possible through the appropriate interface. The architecture allows the users to firstly watch the soccer match that interests them most, and then get in parallel information about what is happening in other matches. Information delivered to the device is personalized through the use of personal profiles, and capability of automatic switching of the TV channel so as to tune into the match in which the most important event is happening at each time. These are the main features that the aforementioned architecture offers.